Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into 8 signs that can help you recognize true friendships and avoid toxic relationships, because sometimes trusting the wrong people can bring us down and have negative impacts on our lives. Here are some clues to help you distinguish between genuine and fake friends. 1. Real friends are rare. True friendships are like hidden gems. Not everyone has them because they require dedication and sincerity. 2. Choosing friends. Base it on values and principles. Don't just be friends with people who share the same habits. Instead, choose friends who align with your values and principles. 3. Aligning your values and principles with friends. Real friendships are built on shared values and principles. Make sure your friends share your core beliefs, as these relationships will be long-lasting. 4. True friendship requires loyalty and honesty. Superficial friendships are shallow, but true friendships are deep. Loyalty and honesty are key components of genuine friendships. Real friends will stand by you in tough times. 5. Friendships require mutual value. Exchange. Healthy friendships are based on mutual value exchange. Balance is crucial in relationships, as one-sided relationships aren't genuine friendships. 6. Be cautious of those who quickly gain your trust. Some people may try to win your trust with gifts or favors. Genuine friendships develop naturally over time. Be cautious before trusting someone too quickly. 7. Beware of fake friends. Fake friendships often revolve around personal gain. Get to know your friends and avoid superficial relationships. Look for authenticity in your connections. 8. Value and cherish genuine friends. Appreciate and cherish your real friends and protect these relationships. Fake friendships can weaken you, but true friends will empower you. Show gratitude to your friends and spend quality time with them. So, these are 8 signs to help you identify true friendships and steer clear of toxic ones. Apply these tips to build healthy and meaningful relationships. Make sure your friends genuinely support you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.